Hi everyone, welcome to the Hedgehog Hollow. I hope you're having a great day. I'm super excited to be here because it's the first time since we launched the Hedgehog Hollow subscription kit that we have opened up our waitlist. So every month we send you an exclusive set of products that you cannot get anywhere else. They're always exclusive to our boxes. Now this month in our March kit, we've partnered with Artistry that do iron-on ink. Well, what does iron-on ink mean? It means that you can take your stamps, your dies, your coloring, and you can take your paper crafting and iron it on to anything that contains polyester. So that means bags, koozies, wine coolers, purses, t-shirts, plates, dishcloths, all sorts of things. Also, if your item is not made of polyester, you can take glitter, HTV fabric, so that's stuff that we use in our cricket, all those fun things, and you can iron it onto that. So you can take something that's cotton, you can iron your design onto your HTV and iron that onto your cotton or silk or other fabric. You can also iron it onto those magic sequin cushions, which is so much fun. You can check that top right hand corner for a tutorial I did with the Artistry pens, and stay tuned for next week because I have a PBS segment coming out where I did some of those magic sequin cushions. They're just so much fun to do, and you can use a regular household iron, you can use a heat press, or you can use your Cricut Easy Press. And I will put a coupon in the video description for the Cricut website. I will also add the link to the household iron we recommend, but you can use any household iron as long as you turn off the steam. But there's a very inexpensive $20 one you can grab if you don't have an iron like I didn't. I'll also link up my favorite pink heat press, which you can see over in the corner over there. A few of you asked me about my pink heat press, so I'll link that too. Also in our Hedgehog Hollow kits, we include coupons for you, so there's some added bonuses. So you get a coupon to Tonic Studios, you get a coupon to Alan Hudson, and you get a coupon to the store that we partner with each month. So there's lots of savings included. If you're a regular subscriber, so if you subscribe on our month-to-month plan or our 3-month plan or one of the longer plans we're going to be bringing out, you also get a bonus in your box each and every month. So let's open up what's in this month's box. So we're also thrilled that from April we'll be bringing back our black and white spotty boxes, which is our signature Hedgehog Hollow box. But this is this month's box. Each box has a theme. So this was a rainbow theme to go with the markers. There are just so many different things you can do. There's also an exclusive subscriber Facebook group that you get to join. And you also get access to over 30 different tutorials that go with the box each month. So this is what is in this month's box. So let's go through it. So this print here is a print that I designed. So every month you get either an artist design print, a print that I designed. On the back you have a fun message. It tells you about the coupons you've got. So you'll get that. And these can be framed. Some people are using them in their artwork, in their card making, all sorts of different things you can do with these. Check out the design team's inspiration. There's so many different things you can do with these. I frame them and put them on the wall. We have a fun collage on the wall and different ways in which you can use them. This was our regular subscriber bonus this month. This is a little coin purse that you can iron your designs onto. So you've got a little coin purse. I've been storing some fun crafty things in there. Some of my clips and things that I use here in the craft room. This is your Coastal coupon. Coastal provided all of the iron-on items that you can use in this month's box. So there's a coupon you can use there. Every month, you're going to get some candy to be crafting with. It might be some individually wrapped. Last month, we had conversation hearts. You got a full pack of those. You're also going to get some heat-resistant sublimation tape. So the technique of the markers used is called sublimation. We actually call it iron-on ink because I think it describes it really well. But one thing you can do with this tape is you can cut it into a few different pieces, and you can also use it multiple times. So you can get lots of uses out of this, and what it does is it helps you position your pieces onto your materials, your bags, your t-shirts, all those things, so you can get perfect placement to allow you to iron it on. We've also printed a mandala design that Artistry, who manufacture the markers, designed for you. And they printed this in sublimation ink because you can get printers that print out in this special ink. So as soon as you get your box, you can colour in and you can iron this straight on. We've also got over 50 images that we've had designed for you that are available to our subscribers, and you can then use those as digi-stamps. You can draw them in your Cricut, in your scan and cuts, in your silhouette machines, in all of those machines, or you can print, colour and then iron on. So over 50 printables, digi-stamps are available with this month's box, available in the Facebook group, and they're going to be available via email. We also give you a contents list of what's included in your box and also the retail value. The retail value of this month's box, just excluding the digi-stamps, was over $53. If we included the digi-stamps, you're well over the $65 retail value. You get a full pack of the Artistry markers. So you have 10 markers in here, and I'll open this one up. So you have 10 different colours. You can see here the different tips. So you have black, red, pink, blue, orange, green, brown. So you have a full set of colours in here. The great thing about them is they are water soluble, so you can wash them out your clothing and everything until you heat set them. Then they are fully permanent and they are child safe. They're approved to work with children. So you can play with the children, you can use them yourself. I have made so many different projects with these. As I say, you can use them on that glitter vinyl, you can do all sorts of things. We've tried them, we've used them on the PBS segments, Make It Artsy. Check that out in your local TV listings, or you can see the segment will be loaded onto the Hedgehog Hollow YouTube channel next week. One thing you will notice, when you start colouring with them, they look really dull until you do the iron on process, and then you're going to get a really punchy wow. Check out the post on the Hedgehog Hollow blog by Nikki from our design team. I think she did an amazing job of showing how you get these wonderful colours and really punchy things. You can see artists here have done some amazing pieces. Now, the one thing you're going to want to do is, if you want to do words, is you need to make sure you mirror those words. So this love that's on the packet down here, down the bottom, is back to front, but when you put it onto the mug here, it's the right way around. Now you can do that using a light box, or you can just put it up to the window and you just draw on regular printer paper and then you iron it on. No special paper, nothing like that required. So it's really fun. You can also use these like the Marvy markers on your stamps, stamp out your images, colour them in, and then off you go. You can iron it onto anything. We also included a tote bag in here. So you can, this is the perfect size. You made sure you can put your 8.5 by 11 cardstock in here, your Misties, your Tim Holtz platforms, all those things fit in here really nicely. So you can use it as a crafty storage bag in your craft room. And then we also included 2 silicone sheets. So these are the perfect size to, you pop this over, you pop your design under here, this over the top, and then you iron on. That's going to give you the perfect transfer process and ensure none of that ink transfers onto your iron, your heat press, or your easy press. We also included this cardboard backer. First of all, it helps in the mail, but also when you're ironing on into your tote bag, you're going to pop this inside when you're doing the iron on process, and it just makes sure that none of the ink is going to transfer from one side of your bag onto the other side of your bag. A little bit more candy in here. And the same, we've got a small one that we included for your purse, for that little coin purse too. So we hope you love this month's kit as much as we do. We thought it was a fun way to extend your paper crafting into every area of your life. You may remember that as children we used to send our designs away and have them transferred onto plates. Well, now you can do that at home. You can transfer your stamped images. You can draw, as I say, with these pens inside of your Cricut and your scan and cut and your silhouette machines. You can draw any image through the software. Or if you're the artist, I'm most certainly not. I can just about draw a stick man, but that's as good as I get. You can do that too. If you're interested in a subscription, you can check out the link in the description below or go to thehedgehoghollow.com/shop. There's a 1-month rolling subscription or a 3-month option available to you. You can cancel at any time. There's no penalty. So you can get 1 box, 10 boxes, as many or as few as you would like. It's completely flexible and we'll ship it straight out to you. And as I say, next month we'll bring back those signature black and white polka dot boxes. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all of our future tips, tricks, techniques, and haul videos. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. We'll see you again soon. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye.